Hey, just Sam here from SensatioNail. So, it's been a hot minute since I've done anything with my nails due to the fact that I've literally been so busy with my life with work and this place and everything going on, and I think it's time to really give my nails some TLC, give them a good old prep, and this is how we're going to do it. Keep on watching. As always, make sure to give it a like, comment, share and subscribe and the bell notification button. Ching!
So today I will be using a manicure stick, a double-sided nail file, some lint-free whites, the gel cleanser and gel primer. So first I'm going to shape my nails using the grey side of the small file. Make sure to file only in one direction from the side to the tip. Next, I'm going to grab my cuticle stick. This comes in most SensatioNail gel polishes as a freebie with your colour. Just a little top tip, I like to soak my hands in warm water so it's easier on the cuticles and less likely to get any sores. Then I'm going to use my cuticle stick and I'm going to push back my cuticles nice and gently. If you like using cuticle oil, make sure to only use it after you've finished your manicure, never before. Then, using the pink side of the buffer, gently buff away the natural shine. One of my top tips is buff in only one direction. Back and forth will cause heat and build up in the nail plate, making the nail plate thinner. So now we wash our hands with washing up liquid. Why? Washing up liquid contains grease and oil removers, so it will help dehydrate and remove any natural oils from the nail plate. Oils from the skin or nail plate will act as a barrier between the polish and the nail, causing the polish to chip. Then use a little bit of the gel cleanser on a lint-free wipe. Cleanser also dehydrates the nail along with the pads. Top tip, after you have completed this stage, make sure you go straight into your manicure, don't touch anything. Then you want to go ahead and use the gel primer depending on your nail type. What does primer do, you ask? Primer adds an extra layer of adhesion to the nail to help the polish stick. So for normal nails, apply in an O shape around the edge of the nail. And for oily nails, make sure to go around the entire nail and including capping. So for dry nails, you can just go ahead and skip the primer. Let that primer dry for a few seconds, but leave it so that it's still a bit tacky. Then we need to apply the base coat. Start about 1/3 of the way of your nail and pull the polish to the tip. Pull up each side and finally push toward the base of your nails. This is the easiest way to ensure you get as close as possible to the cuticle without touching it. Cap your nails by running the brush across the tip. Capping seals all the layers of polish in, preventing chipping and peeling. So go ahead and put your hands in the LED lamp. It is designed for 4 fingers at a time, and then once your fingers are done, you can go ahead and do both thumbs together.
Okay, so that's our prep work done. If you like it like this, you can just stop there, or you can go ahead and put some colour into your life and pick a nail colour just like I did. The life decisions. Picking a colour is probably the most agonizing pain that you can go through. You know, we've got some blues, greens, yellows. I go with however my mood is. So my mood is probably, I'm really feeling this Dizzy Daisy because I'm really ditzy. So I think I'm gonna go with this one. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up as always and join us for next time. We have got now a little schedule going on. So every 3 p.m. at Friday, you should see a video from us, and make sure to share it. Give it some love. See ya. I really hope you enjoyed this video because I loved it.
Yeah.
Say like 30 seconds.
Give a little hand flap.
Yeah.
Give a little ooh, shoo shoo shoo, shoo 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 shoo. Wait, you still recording?
Yes.
That was stupid. What's wrong with me? Okay.